Okay, so we got the call at Marysville. My grandson has come 2 weeks early, so we are headed back to Des Moines to meet Boyd, and then we're gonna stay a couple nights, and then we're gonna be headed back to Phoenix, back to Arizona. So got business to take care of down there. We'll check back in. Hey, yeah, I hope there's not too much background noise here. We got the freeway right down here, and this is a Cracker Barrel. Okay, so got to meet my grandson, Boyd. Yeah, my youngest son gave me a grandson, so that's awesome. And so now we turned around in Marysville and went back to Des Moines because Boyd was early. So anyway, now we're headed back to Arizona. Got business to take care of down there. Yeah, still more videos to come every week this year. But yeah, last night we stayed at the Cracker Barrel. Well, 2 nights ago when we got back to Des Moines, we stayed at my brother's house, Matt and his wife Ann, and then I have nieces and nephews. We stayed in front of their house on the street, that was the first time we did that. That was cool. Thanks Matt and Ann. And so then last night we stayed at a Cracker Barrel in Des Moines. Quiet, great. These Cracker Barrels are awesome. So now we are going to do about 4 or 5 hours a day, and we are at the Cracker Barrel in Topeka, Kansas. Look at this. Look at all the room they give for RVs. We're the only ones here right now. It's about 6 o'clock, and so yeah. Tomorrow we're going to be in Dodge City, probably at the same place we were last time. If you go take a look at that. See you tomorrow. Here's a typical evening unplugged at Cracker Barrel. Okay guys, so we're on I-70, getting ready to cut southwest, and we're going to stay at Walmart in Dodge City. And I saw this car coming out of a rest area. What he's all got put together here, but I'll show you. Okay, it looks like it's a Mercedes. I don't even know what he did there. Got the fins on it, like an old Cadillac or something. Anyway, yeah, you see it all. We'll see you in Dodge City. Okay, yeah, we're back at Dodge City. If you guys remember one of the first episodes this season, we were parked over there, kind of by that tanker truck over down on that side of the parking lot. This is going to be quieter without the trucks running and all that. And so awesome that Walmart's, Cracker Barrels, Bass Pro Shops, and there's other ones that let us use. Lisa went in and bought some stuff at Walmart, so yeah, and that's awesome. But even at Walmart, look at the sunsets. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good one. So tomorrow, we're headed back to Arizona, and I've got some business to take care of in Omaha, in Phoenix, and so tomorrow night we're going to be in a city park in San John, J-O-N, not Juan, not San Juan, San John. It's a free city park in San John. So we'll see you there. Okay, here we are at San John. San John. It's the village of San John. I didn't see a population, but I'm guessing 150 people live here. Seriously, it's that small. The village of San John, not San Juan. Anyway, a free overnight parking. And they've got several spots here. There's I-40. We are just east of Tucumcari. So we'll be on I-40 tomorrow. And yeah, we got a travel trailer over here, Class A, and then a couple of people sleeping in their vehicles. They got a hammock between the two poles there. But look at that sunset. We are blessed with sunsets every night. Just spectacular. And I think we're going to have a full moon coming up tonight too. This is, what is this? This is Wednesday, October 20th, 2021. We're headed back to Phoenix. Gonna gear up. We're gonna be exploring Arizona during the next 2 months and doing some repairs on the Prowler and what little there is on Bear. Bear does fine, but the Prowler's got some little issues we're gonna take care of. There's like that D-seal right here. Remember, I couldn't find enough. So that's gonna get replaced. But okay, so tomorrow we're at a casino, planning on in Gallup, Arizona, or Gallup, New Mexico, on the west side of New Mexico. We'll see you tomorrow, and we'll break in if anything exciting happens. Sunrise in New Mexico. Couple of people, couple of vehicles over here. That Jeep right there. Oh, look at the full moon. Can you see the full moon? Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, there's two vehicles where people were sleeping last night. That Jeep, we saw her pull in, a single woman, and I don't know if you can see that, but she hung a hammock between those poles there. If she was going to sleep in one of those hammocks. But she's not in there now. It's 35 degrees outside, so she must be inside her car. And on the other side of her is like a Tahoe or a Suburban or something like that with its butt facing to us. Older couple, looked like they were probably living in it. But there's that Class A still there. Travel trailer's gone, and there was a truck camper that came in later last night right here, and he's gone already too. So, love this. Well, we decided against the casino. We stayed at another Cracker Barrel last night in Gallup, New Mexico, just like 26 miles from Arizona. But we're headed back to Phoenix. We're up on the Mogollon Rim right now. You want to show them where we're at? Yeah, back to the mountains of Arizona. But we've got a spot at an RV resort in Phoenix for the next couple months. I've got some business to take care of, some good business. Yeah, we need to be there. We're going to be doing day trips, side trips, and exploring around the Valley of the Sun too, for what I haven't already showed you. So yeah, we'll fill you in more on the details of our plans for the rest of this year and also going into next year. Okay, we made it back to Phoenix. We're gonna sit down and talk to you here in a second, but this is the RV resort, pretty much north central Phoenix. Proud they're sitting here. There's a lot of permanent residents here, snowbirds. There's a travel trailer down there. It's got a laundry over here. Got a pool, a sauna. It's got a library. We can check out books over here with a big selection of books. So look at the palm trees. We're back in the palm trees, and there's Old Glory. This is an older park. Got some older breeze in it, I guess. But there's Lisa. So we made it back.
We did, all one piece.
I don't like the longer drives. You know, I can't wait till after the first of the year. We're going to get back to our shorter. You know, we'll drive an hour instead of 5 hours, 6 hours.
Yeah, that was going to be a bit long a couple of those days.
Yeah. But you know, those free places. That's just awesome that these businesses do that in these city parks. Yeah, we got the call. My grandson Boyd was born 2 weeks early, so that's why we went back to Des Moines, and then visited them with a couple days, and now we're back down here. We got projects to do. I got business to take care of, and then in January we're gonna be doing day trips. We're gonna be doing day trips while we're here, and I'm gonna be showing you these projects and whatever else interesting we can find. If there's something you guys would like to see in the area, put it in a comment.
Yeah.
What do you got to say?
Nothing. Glad to be home, but yet I'll be ready to leave.
Well, we're always home.
Well, it's true, but I mean, I'm glad to be back in Phoenix to visit family and friends.
Yeah, and
this weather. This is just gorgeous.
Okay, you guys, we love you. We're gonna keep kicking out a video, or hopefully 2 a week. I'm just gonna promise one. So anyway, love you. Please hit that notification bell so you're notified when we post. And if you need something for Amazon, especially with the holidays coming up, appreciate it if you use my Amazon associate link in the description too. It doesn't cost you a penny more, and it kicks us a penny. So anyway, love you guys. We will see you next week.
Bye.